Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from OFX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for you to do the transfer from the OFX itself, you have to access the OFX official website, and then you have to sign in. Once you're done signing in, you can also do it by visiting their branch itself. Then once you're over there in the branch, you might have to fill a form including your recipient's information and the amount. You might have to pay the fee as well, and your ID for the verification. Once you have provided that, and your account details, once you have provided that, your money will be transferred. You can ask your recipient later on if they have received the money or not. If you're in the online way you would like to do, you're going to come over here, go to the send money section, and you're going to add in the recipient's information, their banking details, as well as the amount, and you can check the currency as well. Now once you have checked all of the information and you've added your payment method as well, then you're going to go ahead, confirm and review the transaction, and you're going to confirm the payment itself. You're going to tap on send money and it is through. You'll receive an email regarding its confirmation, regarding its completion. You can check it out later on. Now those are the ways you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.